yn Cylch y Defaid gyda'r Dafad Flwydd Wyneblas Caerlyr. Dwi'n meddwl fe fydd yna ganlyniad o fewn dim Elfyn Owen.
Yndi, mae'n dod i derfyn y dosbarth yma yn dydi, a wedyn mae beirniad yn cael y golwg ola. Edrych yn debyg bod o wedi penderfynu na Sophie Harding fydd yn gyntaf.
O Nantwich.
Nantwich, a wedyn Meinir sy'n dal yr ail os i'r fo, Meinir a Dewi Parry yn drydydd. Ddwy o'r un cartre fan'na.
A maen nhw'n debyg eto, yndyn nhw?
Maen nhw'n debyg yn dydyn. A wedyn teulu'r Harris, Tudor Harris o Gaerdydd wedyn, yn bedwerydd.
Arbennig. Wel, diolch o galon i chi, Elfyn. Mae Sophie wedi cael sioe dda, yn dwi, gyda'r ochr y merched.
Yndi, yndi.
Wedi ennill y Dafad hun a nawr ennill y Dafad Flwydd.
Mae wastad yn cael hwyl yn ei chael teg.
Ond oedd hwnna'n sefyll mas o'r cychwyn, bydde, mae'n siarp.
Dangos ei hun.
Mae'n dwi, mae'n mynnu salw chi. Diolch o galon, Elfyn.
Croeso.
Draw i gael sgwrs arall gyda Sophie. Wow. This is coming a regular occurrence.
Full sister again.
Full sister again?
Yeah.
You've got to look after that ram. Protect it with all your life.
Yes, yeah. No, he's been super. And they're a super family.
But when she came into the ring, she wanted to... Yeah. She had that presence, didn't she? And she was like, look at me, I'm
very
here.
flashy.
Yeah. They're like cobs, aren't they? Welsh cobs.
Yeah. Big show off.
Yeah, so how many have you got?
20 ewes. Yeah, just 20 ewes now.
Yeah, and why are they so special?
I think the temperaments are so good, they're so easy to handle. They're just lovely to have around.
Yeah, very classy sheep.
Hard work at lambing, but
yes.
Lovely to have.
Lot of lambs you get lambing time.
That's right, yes.
Need a lot of patience.
Thank you very much.
Da iawn.